Hi, everyone, and welcome to CONM 3500 Advanced Estimating. I'm Professor Sharon Brown, and today we're kicking off our pre-construction lecture series. Let's dive into what pre-construction really means and why it's one of the most critical phases of a construction project. Pre-construction covers all project planning activities before actual construction begins. It's where we define the project scope, create the budget, build the schedule, secure permits, and start procurement. In short, it's everything that sets the foundation for a successful project. The main goals of pre-construction are simple but powerful. First, establish a realistic budget and timeline. Second, identify risks early and solve problems before they grow. And third, align everyone's expectations, from the owner to the design and construction teams. Let's compare pre-construction and construction. During pre-construction, we focus on budgeting, design coordination, risk analysis, and permitting. Once construction starts, it shifts to field execution, managing subcontractors, quality control, and change orders. Strong pre-construction work leads to smoother construction later. Here's a simple project timeline. We move from feasibility and programming into schematic design, design development, and construction documents. After that, we're ready for bidding and construction. Each step builds on the work done during pre-construction. Let's walk through the full design and construction process from early concept to project completion. This diagram shows the key roles of both the client and the architect or interior designer across each phase, from conceptual design all the way to construction administration. We start with conceptual design. This is where big ideas are born. The client shares goals and imagery, and the design team creates an initial program and budget analysis. Here, we also review zoning, as-built drawings, and develop basic concepts for the space. Next is schematic design, where rough floor plans are developed for both architecture and interiors. Clients approve layouts, choose contractors, and begin budget reviews. This phase sets the groundwork for cost estimates and preliminary visuals. Then we move into design development. Now, the project gets detailed. We model exteriors in 3D, refine ceiling plans, and finalize finishes, fixtures, and appliances. Clients review cost updates and give feedback on layout and selections. In the scene instruction documents phase, everything becomes technical. The design team produces detailed drawings, cabinetry specs, and coordinates lighting and hardware. This phase is essential for pricing and permitting. After that, we enter construction bidding. The contractor finalizes pricing, and the team reviews shop drawings and fabricator input. This is when the contractor contract is awarded and cabinets, lighting, and accessories are officially approved. Finally, we reach construction administration. The architect and contractor conduct site meetings, provide additional drawings as needed, and review final shop drawings. The punch list is created, and the project moves toward completion. Each phase builds on the one before it, and communication between the client and design team is key. From vision to execution, this process ensures both creativity and precision every step of the way. Here's a simple project timeline. We move from feasibility and programming into schematic design, design development, and construction documents. After that, we're ready for bidding and construction. Each step builds on the work done during pre-construction. Who's involved in pre-construction? The owner sets the goals and budget. The construction manager manages cost, schedule, and constructability. Architects and engineers design the project, and estimators develop early budgets and forecasts. It's a true team effort.
Pre-construction is also about spotting risks and opportunities. Site conditions, market trends, design decisions, and material availability can all impact your plan. Identifying these early can save time, money, and headaches later.
Now it's your turn. For our in-class activity, you'll match different project tasks to the right phase: feasibility, schematic design, design development, or construction documents. Check your understanding. We'll go over the answers together after you complete it. How did you do with this exercise? Oh, That wraps up our introduction to the pre-construction phase, the foundation of every successful project. We've seen how everything from project kickoff to the start of fieldwork takes place during this phase. It's when the team develops a strategic plan, sets the budget and timeline, begins and finalizes the design, secures permits, and procures labor and materials. In short, pre-construction is a critical phase that shapes cost, time, and success. Early coordination and clarity on scope are absolutely key. Good pre-construction planning reduces risk, prevents surprises, and keeps the project on track from day one to closeout.